Hi, this is Casey from Casey Grandpa Tech. We talk about everything tech and fun stuff and much, much more. This summer's been crazy, man, with hot weather and everything else. And my air pump, to pump up the tires, the pool, and everything else, decided to take a deep six. So I bought a ROCKBIRDS air compressor that is powered by the car. I'm going to unbox it now, and let's check it out. So anyway, I purchased this on Amazon, $30. Needed something a little bit better than what I was using, and this seems to look like it's going to be the way. Because if you've ever been traveling and you start getting one of those leaky tires, and you're not near a gas station, or you got to pump up something, this seems to be the way to go. So let's take a look at this right away. It's got a digital display, on-off switch. Okay. Long cord to connect to the car or the source. You have your hose, which is easily compacted. So in addition to that, you have standard tips to connect your when you're pumping up a pool or you're pumping up a basketball. You have your plug-ins, your footballs, so it makes it complete. Let's go take it outside. Let's take a look how it works and tell me what you think.
Plugged it into my car and has a quick release piece. Now the one thing that I noticed that I didn't read in the instructions is this has a built-in light. See it? Which is really neat, because if you got a flat tire and it's dark, you can attach it. Now this tire is pretty flat. I'm going to turn it on, and I'll adjust the pressure upward, and telling me right now giving me an update on what the pressure is. I've set it to go to 32, and it shut off. What can be better than that?
My final thoughts on this. I was surprised it has a light, which makes it really invaluable if you have to inflate a tire in the middle of the night to get flat. The nice thing, other thing is, everything packs up really nicely. The hose that connects this packs away very nicely, and unlike some other units I've had in the past, this easily folds. So my thoughts, this is pretty nifty, I gotta tell you, for $30. Not bad at all. What I like about it is the auto turn off. You connect it, you lock it onto the whatever you're inflating, and when you set it, and you can set the pressure to what you want it to go to, and when it gets there, it shuts off automatically. So that's really cool. The hose disappears, locks in tightly, and then on the bottom here you can fold up the wire, and at the very end, I haven't finished wrapping it, but you get the idea. You pop it in and it disappears, and compactly is nice and compact, and you don't have to worry about the wires getting everywhere and everything else. So I give it a 5-star out of 5-star. The only thing I would say that they could improve with this, and is that there should be a compartment in here. They already have enough room. You have your extra tips that come with it. One for you're inflating a basketball, and one for you inflating some type of pool or anything. And they could put a little compartment with a little door to store it and make it perfect. So other than that, it's 5 stars. This is Casey from Casey Grandpa Tech out. You have a great day. So anyway, that's a quick unboxing and review of the ROCKBIRDS air compressor for your car and every house. Listen, please like, share, and subscribe in the channel. Hit that little like button and the little subscribe button, and I'll be bringing you more tech stuff, news stuff, all kinds of great stuff. And until next time, this is KC from KC Grandpa Tech out, and you have a great day.